This mount provides excellent security with its unique anti-theft knob, which can only be operated with a special included key. Constructed from high-strength CNC-machined aluminum alloy with a hard-anodized finish, this holder is built for exceptional durability and a long service life. An integrated vibration dampener, featuring 4 high-elasticity rubber columns, effectively isolates your smartphone from engine and road vibrations, protecting its sensitive internal components. Its adjustable clamp accommodates a wide array of smartphones with screens between 5.5 and 7 inches, while the U-bolt base fits handlebars from 22 to 32 millimeters in diameter. The half-wrap skeleton design ensures full access to your phone's screen and buttons, and the universal 1-inch ball head allows for complete 360-degree rotation for the perfect viewing angle. Designed for ultimate versatility, the mount features a standard 1-inch ball head system, making it fully compatible with RAM B-size components for endless customization options.